Friends, welcome to my channel Aparna Arts. In this video you will be learning how to paint with bottle gourd and how to use texture white. I take online classes and my details are in this video and below this video in description. You can take any bottle gourd top portion and then cut and make a design with the knife like a flower. If you are interested in painting, can join my online professional courses. I teach oils, acrylic, tanjore, 3D murals, 3D flowers, origata flowers, types of roses, chrysanthemums, vases and many more. After the cutting is over, you can take fabric colors or acrylic colors and apply with the brush. If you mix medium in the color, you can make designs on sarees, dresses and tops, and you can create beautiful designs by stamping. And when you want to change the color, you have to wipe it with the cloth and then apply the next color. You can also make beautiful greeting cards. I take order works for professional artworks. Do see my other videos for my exclusive artworks and tutorials. You can remove one or two petals and make half flower. A freehand painting course book with notes and techniques. If interested, you can buy. I'm making leaves. This is a fun creative painting and you can create beautiful designs. I will show you how to use texture white on a sheet or a canvas. You can create different textures on sheet and canvas and then do the painting work. To make these designs, you can take texture white with a knife and then apply on the sheet, and you can create a rough texture by lifting the knife, and this is a thick rough texture. And if you want on a sheet, you can give a plain coating and make the sheet thick, and then again you can paint your own design. Thin rough texture also you can give, and this takes almost half an hour to dry, and then you can do the painting. Now I will show you on a color paper, as on white sheet you can't see properly. See, when you apply a texture white layer, then you can, when you lift the knife, you get a rough texture. If you apply less texture white, then you get a thin layer, and you can do a plain coating also on any sheet or canvas, and you can give line texture effect also with the knife. Taking a cardboard roll of a sellotape. After the sellotape is over, you can use this roll, apply texture white coating on this roll. You can make a pen stand or a round small box for jewelry with this roll. After applying this texture white, you can decorate with many small craft items, and then you can color it, and then you can make these items. This texture roll, after applying this coating of texture white, I am taking a fork to give a lines texture all around this roll. Leave this for half an hour. When it is dry, you can create your craft items by coloring it and decorating it. Do like, share, comment and subscribe my channel, friends. I'll be coming up with more interesting techniques and artworks. Keep watching. See you. Bye bye.